Well, hi guys, this is Rich and Susie, for those of you who don't know, immigrants on tour. And today we're off to El Campello. And the sun is shining, the weather's warm, nice late October.
Yeah, it's a fantastic day, beautiful Sunday. Susie said we're off to El Campello. We're going to go and do the far end where the marina is and the historical site, the historical tower, so we'll go and show you that today. But just before we get onto that, we're obviously just started our journey now. We'll be there in about 40 minutes. Just wanted to apologise for the first part of our video, two-story video in Alicante at the castle, because once I started editing it I found that there was a lot of crackle and pops going on. Now, I did redo another one with voiceovers, but I wasn't too happy with that either. So because so many people had watched this one and liked it, I thought I'd just leave it. But I think it was down to me moving the microphone from front to back. When I was moving the camera to show us and then to show away from us, if you know what I mean, I was taking the microphone out and turning it round so it was always facing us, so it would sound a lot better. I think maybe I didn't put the connectors in correctly, and that's what was making the little pop noise, which is it just trying to connect. But we'll see. We'll keep our fingers crossed and see how it works today. But what we're planning on getting is 2 wireless lapel microphones, and that'll alleviate everything then. It'll mean that we don't have to have a great big a furry guinea pig, a furry hamster poking out of the camera.
I think it's quite cute.
It is cute. It's okay at times. It's okay when you're doing things like this, but obviously if you're walking about and then one's holding the camera and then the other person's looking round and looking at something and then speaking, oh look at that over there, and you're facing away from the microphone again, the voice gets distorted or lowered. So if we've got lapel microphones on, it doesn't matter which way we're facing, whether we're facing you or turning around to have a look at something else, we can still talk and you'll still be able to hear us okay. Alright, some of you might say, we don't want to keep hearing you, it's nice to have a little bit of a lull, but you're getting us. When we talk, you're going to hear us. Right, hi. Well, we're here at El Campello. We've just been to an archaeological site that's right behind us. As you can see, I'll just try and pan around a little bit. We weren't allowed to do any filming there. We were only allowed to do take pictures. So I'll put a little collage of pictures on when I do the editing.
A bit of history.
Yes, and I'll actually find out a little bit about it as well. Well, before I edit everything, but basically we found that there's obviously Roman time, well, Bronze Age it started, didn't it? Bronze Age it started, up to the Romans. I know they did some olive pressing there and made some wine. There's some fish farms there.
The Queen Baths. Yeah,
there's Queen's Baths as well. So we'll try and find out a little bit more about it, because as I said, we weren't allowed to video, and the explanation cards that are there by each sort of section of the site basically just tell you about that section, and they don't tell you what the site is originally, everything about it. So we'll definitely find out, and we'll get it put on the video somehow.
We'll do our research.
But if you know, then
put it in the comments below.
Yes, please comment on what you think it is. It's in El Campello at the edge of the marina. I will put the name of the site on the screen while I'm talking now, when I get back and obviously edit it. So the name of the site will be on the screen. Guys, comment, let us know what you think of it. And also, while you're thinking of it,
click the like
button and click subscribe. Come on,
it's free.
Let's get some subscribers up. Come on, let's get the subscribers up and running. Okay, so here we are. That was a, I know you don't know, but it was about a 30-second walk. And we're down at the marina. Some nice boats here. That's over there is the clubhouse. As you can see, gorgeous marina. And don't know if you remember when we did the filming of Campello Beach. I mean, literally, Campello Beach is there, just the other side of that building. That's where we started, at the beach. So we'll go through here and we'll walk past the cafe. I don't think you're allowed to moor kayaks here because that's about the only thing we could afford. They've got some nice boats here. Obviously the smaller boats are towards this end, and then you've got the bigger, fancier boats over there. But yeah, lovely marina, lovely sunny day. And then we've got this cafeteria here. And then if you look above, there's another cafeteria up there. So that looks amazing up there. That'd be some great views at the top. La Cova. So there you go, guys, that's the marina, and just behind us the big watchtower with the Spanish flag going from it. So we're just going to go down now towards the beach part and
Get a coffee?
Oh, coffee and something to eat. Got to have a little snack. That smell of the fish was amazing. So keep meaning to come down here and have one of their paellas. We will one day. We will one day. There's plenty of time. Plenty of time. Just thought we'd show you what it's like down here at the beach on the last Sunday in October. We've still got the sun loungers out. Nothing like the summer, but still. So look, still a few people walking along the promenade. The restaurants are still open, which is really nice. But it's probably a little bit quieter than normal because today is the Day of the Dead. Today is the day that the Spanish go to the crematoriums, pay their respect to their loved ones, family, friends. You find that the cemeteries here will have the police outside, they'll have barriers to slow the traffic down, let the people in, because it's a very big thing. This is the day that the Spanish pay their respects to their loved ones. So yeah, it's called the Day of the Dead. So there you go. That's a happy snippet for you as we're walking along the prom along the beach. But hey, why not throw it in? Everybody enjoying themselves on the Day of the Dead. Cracking. Okay, there you go. But look, at least you can see the place. It's nice, even in October. So here we are, having a break. Just look at that. Having that with a nice caramel coffee latte machito. And here come the cafe latte machito. Beautiful. Oh, that's perfecto. Gracias. Thank you. And there we go. That's our view. Well, we're gonna have a nice eat and drink. And the name of the place is Ward Coffee and Tea Lounge in El Campello. It looks absolutely yummy. So, with further ado, now we're going to tuck in. Bye!
Well, that was delicious. 1,000,000 calories, but well worth it.
Yes, so 3 pancakes each, cream on one, honey on another, and strawberry ice cream on the other one. And that was €16 with the 2 grande latte mojitos. Macchiatos, how do you pronounce them?
Macchiato.
Oh, okay. So there we go. So we're now going to have good walk back to the car, probably about 30 minutes to get back to the car, and then
We'll keep the calories off.
we'll be on our way home. So we'll say thanks for watching us today. Don't forget, please click subscribe and the like button, and any questions or comments, please feel free to do so, and we will catch you next time. Take care.
Adios.
Bye.